Hello my dear students, this is remaining part of lesson 8. Today I will explain this remaining part and complete our lesson 8. Safety saves. Safety means to be free from danger. We should always follow the rules of safety to avoid accidents. We need to follow different safety rules at different places. We should always be alert everywhere because accidents may happen anywhere. We should always follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Number 1. When at home. Never play with these objects at home. Electrical appliances like fan, iron, electric heater. Electrical appliances like fan, iron, electric heater and so many others make our life easier, but sometimes it can be dangerous in our life. Sharp objects, blade, scissor, knife. Sharp objects also help us in our life, in our daily life, but it is dangerous also. Try it yourself. Try it yourself. Given below are some objects found in a house. Color the safe things with green color and unsafe things with red color. First is iron. Iron and knife is sharp object. Iron is electrical appliances and knife is sharp object. So both are unsafe. We will color with red. And kite and football both are safe objects. So we will color with green. Next, keep our things at their proper place. We should always keep our things at their proper place. Do not lean from the balcony. If we hang from the balcony, we may fall down and get hurt seriously. Never play on the staircases. If we play on the staircases, we may fall and get hurt. Next point is on the road. Never play on the road. We should never run or play on the road because roads are not meant for run or play. And it is also dangerous for our life. Do not run on the road. Yes, same thing. It is dangerous for our life. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. Follow the traffic signals. We should always follow the traffic signals. Walk on the footpath. Follow the traffic signals. We should always walk on the footpath and we have to follow traffic signals. At school, do not push other children while climbing down the stairs or boarding a bus. We should never push others because we hurt someone other. Do not jump on desks or chairs in the classroom. We should never jump in the classroom because we hurt ourselves and others also. Next, do not spill water on the floor. We should never spill water on the floor because due to water someone slip on the floor or get hurt. Do not throw paper balls or chalk pieces at another. Never throw paper balls or chalk pieces at another because it hurts your eyes or someone other's eyes. In the swimming pool, never go alone for swimming. Always go with an adult. Use a rubber tube if you are a learner. We should never go alone for swimming. Always go with an adult. We should always use rubber tube when we go for swimming, and you also use other safety instruments when you go for swimming. Next point is in the playground. Always play safe games. Wait patiently for your turn at the swings. Do not fight while playing. We should always play safe games. Wait patiently and do not fight with others. At public place, never talk to strangers. We should never talk to strangers because it is unsafe for our life. Never touch identified objects kept around. We should never touch any unidentified object or unknown object because it may dangerous for our life and others also. Do not leave your parents' hand when in a public place. We should never leave our parents' hand because we missed our parents or lost our family. Next point is good touch and bad touch. The touch that is loving and makes us comfortable is a good touch. The touch of a mother and father is a good touch because our family members loves us. That's why we feel their touch makes you comfortable. The touch that is not loving and makes us uncomfortable is a bad touch. Always inform your parents if you feel uncomfortable by the touch of any person. Sometimes we do not feel comfortable with someone's touch. This uncomfortable is bad touch and we should always inform our parents regarding this bad touch. Now exercise time. Number A, and circle the correct answer. Number 1, we should sleep for 8 to 10 hours or 4 to 5 hours. Answer is 8 to 10 hours. So complete answer is we should sleep for 8 to 10 hours. Number 2, exercise makes us fresh or dull. Answer is fresh. So complete answer is exercise makes us fresh. Number 3, never play with a ball or knife? Answer is knife. So complete sentence is we never play with a knife. Number 4, always play safe or unsafe game. Answer is safe. So complete answer is always play safe games. Exercise number 2. Put a tick for the correct statement and a cross for incorrect statement. Number 1. We should talk to strangers. No. We should never talk to strangers. So this is a incorrect statement. So cross will come. Number 2. We should inform an elder about a bad touch. Yes, this is correct statement. Always we have to inform our elders regarding the bad touch. So tick will come. Number 3. We should follow traffic signals. Yes, this is correct statement. We should always follow the traffic signals. So tick will come. Number 4. We should play on the staircases. No, this is incorrect statement. So we will mark cross. Exercise C. Color the clouds which indicate safe activities. Number 1. Leave your parents' hand in a public place. No, this is unsafe activity. We should never leave our parents' hand in a public place. Number 2. Do not touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Yes, students, this is safe activity. So we will color this cloud. Number next. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Yes, this is also a safe activity. So we will color this cloud also. Number next. Play with paper balls. No, this is unsafe activity. So we will not color this cloud. Next. Go for a swim alone. No, this is again unsafe activity. So we will not color this cloud. Lean from the balcony. No, again unsafe activity. So we will not color this cloud. Exercise D. Answer the following questions briefly. Question 1. Why should we eat clean and healthy food? Answer is because it keeps us healthy and strong. Once again, because it keeps us healthy and strong. Question 2. What is a good touch? What is a good touch? The touch that makes us comfortable. The touch that makes us comfortable. Number 3. Write one safety rule you should follow in the school. Write one safety rule you should follow in the school. Answer is we should not jump on desks or chairs. We should not jump on desks or chairs. Question 4. Why do we need to have rest? Why do we need to have rest? Answer is because rest makes our body fresh. Once again, because rest makes our body fresh. Now, fun activity. Color the traffic lights and write what each color stands for. Class, students, here one traffic light is given. You have to color this traffic light. Now, we will write each color stand for. Red light stand for stop. Yellow light stands for wait. Green light stands for go. Thank you, students.